Dart skill presents properties of 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are two special numbers. When you add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. For example, 5 plus 0 is 5, 10 plus 0 is 10, 438 plus 0 is 438, and so on. So the answer is the same as the number itself. In other words, the identity of the number is preserved when we add 0 to a number. And 0 is called the additive identity. Recall that the commutative property works for addition, which means you can add numbers in any order, the answer is still the same. So 585 plus 0 is the same as 0 plus 585, and because 0 is the additive identity, this is equal to 585, same as the number. Similarly, when a number is multiplied with 1, the identity of the number is preserved. 26 times 1 is equal to 26, or for that matter 1054 times 1, just picking some random numbers, is equal to 1054, and so on. So the answer to the multiplication is the same as the number. The identity of the number is preserved on multiplication with 1, reason why we call 1 the multiplicative identity. And just as with addition, the commutative property works for multiplication, which means 45 times 1 is the same as 1 times 45. In multiplication, the order doesn't matter, and because 1 is the multiplicative identity, this is equal to the same number, 45. You must be wondering why we have been discussing about some obvious things. Everybody knows that if you add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. And everyone knows that if you multiply any number with 1, the answer is the number itself. But the thing is, as you grow up and start doing more and more algebra, like start solving equations and all, you tend to use these properties more often than you actually realize. So they may be obvious, but they're very important.